Greetings, fellow food bloggers. Today we're going to explore an exceptional feature in WP Delicious Pro, the Recipe Roundup Block. This premium block allows you to effortlessly display a collection of recipes on any page or post, providing your readers with a one-stop access to multiple recipes. Whether you're showcasing your favorite recipes or focusing on a specific theme, the Recipe Roundup Block makes your content both visually appealing and user-friendly. Ready to set it up? Let's get started. First, navigate to your dashboard, then proceed to the Posts section. Click on Add New Post and give your post a title. To insert the Recipe Roundup block, click on the plus icon and search for Recipe Roundup. You'll then see the Recipe Roundup block. Click on it. Here you can search for recipes. Now, let's add some recipes. The recipes you've added will appear here. Now, if you select this block, on the right-hand side, you'll find a variety of settings for this block. These include layout options, display settings, and other configurations. Let's delve into these. First, let's talk about layout. You'll find three options: List, Grid, and Center. Here we have the list layout, where you can choose the image position. You'll also find different toggles to configure the information displayed for each recipe. To hide any information, simply disable it. Let's use this counter as an example. You also have the ability to select the image aspect ratio. For this demonstration, we'll use a 3:4 ratio. The button label, which appears here, can be changed, and you have the option to enable it to open in a new tab. The heading tag can be selected, and the font size for the heading can be adjusted. If the counter is enabled, you can modify the counter settings. To add a touch of style, a box shadow can be added. Let's see how this Recipe Roundup block appears. Click on Publish. Now let's view this post. Here we have the Recipe Roundup, a curated list of recipes. Now, let's go back and explore the different layouts available. For this demonstration, we'll select the grid layout. When you select the grid layout, you can specify the number of recipes per row. In this case, we'll display 2 recipes per row. Let's enable this counter and then select the image aspect ratio. Let's opt for the square version this time. Click on Save and let's see how the recipe appears. Now, let's explore the final variation, the center layout. Navigate here and select the center layout. Do bear in mind that the image's aspect ratio may need to be adjusted depending on the layout you choose. For this demonstration, we'll utilize a 16:9 ratio. Once you've done that, click to save and reload the recipe. Our Recipe Roundup is now prepared. In addition to adding recipes from your already published collection, you can manually add a recipe to the Roundup list. Let's walk through the process. Return to the post and scroll upwards. There, you'll find the option to manually add a recipe. Click here to select the image, input the title, a brief description, and the preparation time. You also have the option to select the difficulty level, add a rating, and link to the recipe. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Add Recipe button. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up and personalize a Recipe Roundup block in WP Delicious Pro. The versatile layout and display options allow you to effortlessly create engaging lists of your favorite recipes, all while maintaining a sleek and professional design for your site. If you found this tutorial beneficial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We're always here to assist. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.